Good morning. This is day 6. So in day 6 I am enjoying. It's around 4 a.m. in the morning, and sometimes what happen, we are not able to wake up is because of our schedule. We are not able to manage the time. So don't manage the time, manage the priorities. Whatever the priorities are on top, just do that, the most important task, and according to the planner which I have shared with you. So those who don't know about the planner, they can simply go to the in the description and can download the planner and just write each task. In the most important task, health, what are your health goals for the today, what are the relationship goals for the today. See, this is in this way, if you write now, you can see the big picture of life, what in which area you are lacking, and what is actually are lacking and which is growing. So where need, like in the garden there are flowers, so in which area you need to give more water and which week you need to give less water, because you already have given the water there. So you need to stop yourself giving the water. So a lot of the time in our life we start the things, but we don't know where to get stopped. Like we are doing the business, we are doing the work, or we are chatting and we are talking someone, but it should be keeping in mind like here I have to put the stop, to put the some restrictions. Okay, so if you don't do the restrictions, see, in Hindi it's called maryada. Every if you don't put the line, then what happens, like there's a river is flowing, like a river flow. So this mosquito. Okay, so what we can learn from the river flow in his maryada, or in his rules. You are feeling kind of heavy, I will share one exercise with you. So do one thing. If you're feeling heavy in the morning, when you sit in the meditation, or afternoon, you can do at any time. Just do one thing. Just remember the person or remember the situation, as our our mind thinks in images. So visualize the person in front of you and ask for forgiveness, because forgiveness is like letting go of the thing. It's like you are holding a rope and it's harming you. You are holding it very strongly, and you start paining that holding that rope. So you need to let go. You need to let go of the rope. So once you let go, you feel free. And how you will free? By forgiving. Don't create any story. Just see from his perspective why he's behaving like that. From his way, what is the lack of thing has happened to him that he behaved in such way, and forgive him from your side and ask for the forgiveness as well. So if you forgive from yourself, you feel light and your conversation will be very smooth. Just accept everybody. Nobody is perfect here. Mr. Perfect is only one, which you call in different names. So human beings are not perfect. We all do mistakes. So by this knowledge, you can accept the person easily, like by accepting that yeah, mistakes happens and everybody is doing here his journey. So by accepting, you can have the peace of mind. You can literally enjoy. So this is just a quick video just to share my day 6, how I am feeling, and at 4 a.m. what I am feeling. You need to from like yesterday, if you are waking up early and you are not managing your time, you are not doing the productive things, so your mind need to get some we are waking up, so we are gaining something. So you need to show him the benefits and the gain, so that he keeps on the momentum, like you are gaining and gaining, like I'm creating these YouTube videos. Okay, so my total focus is improvement in myself, improvement in my communication, improvement in my health, improvement in my relationships, improvement in my financial health. So all little 1% improvement in each field give me a boost, give me a kick, you can say, to take one more step. Let's do Shivam one more step. So do that way, and also try to write the things and do it, because sometimes if we have a habit of thinking in a loop, or thinking too much whether we are doing, so we start thinking. So quickly do some technique like that. Quickly do some chutki or this type of thing. So that is the signal you are telling to yourself that come in the present state, do your stuff, focus, 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 focus. So when you just make something as a trigger, so that will remind you need to come at the present and do focus, else time will go and later we will suffer. So let's focus it now, and whatever the task you are doing, just try to do one thing, visualize the outcome and see the result now, whatever you are going to do. So that energy of accomplishment will pull your body and your mind to do the actions. Because in my last video, if you remember, we have 100 billion neurons and 37.2 trillion cells. So both synchronizations will help us to achieve the result. So are you getting my point? 37.2 trillion cells is 10 to the power 12 and 10 to the power 9. So you can understand the neurons got programmed with the cells. So each cell should get programmed and tell you let's do this, and let's not be lazy and let's not do the time pass, and use the courage and have patience. Patience is very much important. Use the patience like we are doing. So it will take this much time, so block the time and do your stuff with pace, with planning and with full accuracy. You are blocked that time for a particular thing, so your mind will not go distracted for this and that. So plan the thing and just try to practice time blocking for little thing, like I'm creating this video. So for this 5 to 6 minutes I am only creating my videos. My total full attention, my full focus is on my video.
This is a coriander water. What it do, it relieves pain in joint pain or in back pain, and it's very beneficial.